like if you could even hear it, Emirates we got headphones and the blanket. We're gonna have a nice time. We will see you guys when it's time for our dinner slash late meal, because they're probably gonna post like 3 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see you then, or we'll see you when we get to our destination.
Why wouldn't we fly Emirates? They just give us this little pouch with an eye mask, earbud, toothbrush.
Not yet. We're here in Santorini. Look at how beautiful it is here. I hope the focus you guys could see. Breathtaking views all around. We're gonna give you guys a room tour very shortly, but it's early morning. We just had breakfast and now we're about to, not even in it, too tall, and now we're about to get in the jacuzzi, enjoy the heat, the sun, and yeah, we'll show you guys everything later. And we're also going to give you a review on our Emirates flight, because a lot of you guys DM'd me asking how it was, so we'll give you all the tea. Later, we basically just chilled by our jacuzzi for a bit. They just cleaned our room, so I figured I would show you guys a little room tour before we head out. We're about to head to, I think it's Imerivogli. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick room tour, and then I'll also show you guys my outfit as usual. So when you first walk in, this is how our room looks. We have this little sitting area here with a coffee table, the bed. You have all of my makeup and stuff there, TV. We have this huge mirror that I really want to take home with me. This is my outfit, by the way, that I'm wearing later. I didn't even put makeup on because we kind of just decided last minute to go, so this is what I'm wearing. Over here we have the first balcony that's very beautiful with the view of the ocean. I actually have not sat out there once since we've been here. I've been at the other balcony, which I will show you now. Then over here we have the whole closet space. It's kind of like an outdoor closet, I guess. Not outdoor, but you know what I mean, like it's not closed in. Then over here we have the bathroom, which I actually really like the bathroom. It looks like a cave in here, so I don't know, I really love this. And then they have this ladder here and this sink I absolutely love, so I really think it's really cute in here, and when I buy a house in the future, I'm gonna model it after this. Then walking out of the bathroom, you actually have the shower out here outside of the bathroom. So this is what the shower looks like. At first when I saw this, I was like, there's no way all this water is not gonna flood out, but it didn't, so that's great for us. But it's actually a very huge shower, like really big. And then walking over here, we have the second balcony, which has a jacuzzi. So once you get out here, this is what the view looks like. We have our jacuzzi right here, which has been very lovely. I basically just lay there and tan the whole time, and then Jay stays in the jacuzzi. We have most of our breakfasts just out here, relaxing, and then you get a mountain view over there. I think that's Ia down there, I'm not exactly sure. But then over here we have the water, and I think that's the volcano over there. I'm not sure, but it's just very beautiful. And my favorite thing are these flowers here. I'd love to take them home. And then all the way out into the distance, I think you could see the donkeys. They've been there for days, and I hope that they're okay, but I've basically just been staring at them. And also the ship out there has also been there forever. Then over here we have, I thought this was a pool, but I actually have no idea what it is. I think it's a waterfall. And then up there, that's where the pool area was that we were at earlier. And I'll insert clips of the pool as well for you guys. So yeah, that's basically our hotel room. We actually upgraded twice. So we are in the executive suite, and for some reason the executive suite was cheaper than the junior suite online. Although it's a step up, which is fine with me. We love the room. It's way better than we even thought it was gonna be, especially for the deal that we got. So highly recommend staying here. We're staying at Astro Palace. You get free breakfast, and the service is really great, and the views are amazing. But now we're about to head out to Imerivogli, so I will see you guys on our way there.
So you see that one right there?
What?
That boat? The
little one?
No, the big one. Oh, come on, the little one. The big one. I think we're gonna buy that one. We're gonna go test it out later.
Yeah, we live in a one-bedroom apartment, but we're gonna buy a boat. Angry.
Not a boat. That's a yacht.
Yeah. Don't cry, chicken. Guys, he's so overwhelmed by the beauty here. He's literally crying. Don't worry, ask his permission before recording him.
No, it's beautiful though. It's crazy that.
So nice. This is where we're eating lunch, by the way. We're the only people here. Aw, chicken.
I would never be in a place like this if I never met you.
Guys, we got our frappes. I've been waiting to have one. I'm sorry if my voice sounds like this. I don't know what happened to me last night, but that's how my voice is. Now we have our tzatziki and these views. Jay stopped crying a little bit. I think he just needed a coffee.
No, I'm just saying, like, these are like places that like people like dream to go to, and I'm like here with you. It's like so beautiful.
Yeah, it is really crazy. Just gonna sit here and enjoy our frappes. Oh, we should cheers and drink something. Oh, that's really good. That's good. The other day we got frappes. Where was it?
In the airport.
Oh, was it in the airport? And you were like, oh, yours is better.
What did I do? Oh yeah.
I don't know, we were somewhere and Jay got a frappe and he was like, oh, the ones you make are better because...
No, it was the airport. It was the airport.
Yeah, because I had a lot of Greek friends in my life growing up, so they taught me how to make it. And like, that's the only coffee I'll drink. But these, fire. Me versus Jay. Guys, you'll never believe what just happened. First of all, we just had the most amazing dinner of lunch that you guys saw. Unexpectedly, like we literally just stumbled across that. And we remembered, well, we didn't remember that we wanted to use our film camera or whatever, like disposable camera. We literally made it a point to buy this. Jay was so proud that he bought one that was like, what, $25?
Yeah, it's real nice. It's like got some weight to it and everything.
And we literally forgot to use it. I'm like, dude, that was probably like one of the nicest places we will ever eat in our lives, and we forgot. Could have gotten him crying for memories.
Like anything. Oh my god.
That sucks for us. But anyways, we're sitting in the car because as you just saw, we just stuffed our faces. And I don't know what it is, but the portions here are like triple the size of what I'm used to. and I'm convinced my stomach like shrunk or something because I don't think I eat enough to make them happy, and they were always like, oh, you don't like it? I'm like, no, I love it. I literally stuffed my face that I can't breathe. So we're literally sitting in the car just letting my stomach, you know, relax before we go down the windy road, which I'm going to show you guys. Every time Jay drives, I literally am holding my breath the entire time because
what you're looking
he
at.
makes me nervous. And tomorrow when we use an ATV,
Boom.
say a prayer for me, guys. Okay guys, so we're about to head to dinner. We honestly just came back to the room, relaxed, took a slight nap, got ready, and now we're about to rush to go to our wine tasting. We're going to Santo Wines, which is a winery that Jay's cousin recommended. He lives in Italy, lucky him. But I just wanted to show you guys our outfits really quickly before we head out. So this is my outfit. This is Jay's outfit. If you guys saw my haul, you would have already seen this dress that I got from Amazon. These shoes are all just from Tory Burch. And this is Jay's outfit, although look in the mirror because I can't see it. Want to tell him where it's from?
The top's from Uniqlo, some Calvin Klein chinos, and some white Vans to go with it. And then my school children backpack.
There you go. So we will see you guys when we get there.
but we wanted to show you guys the views from up here, just in case you're thinking about ever coming up here.
This is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Second favorite, third favorite.
Oh my god. Oh, the main view right there. Great.
Guys, we just finished that wine tasting. It was incredible. Definitely the best wine tasting I'll probably ever do in my entire life.
You can say that again.
Like, I was just in complete, like, I just like was speechless. I felt like, because one, the view was amazing. It was
turn left.
So much nicer.
Turn left.
Sorry, Waze is, you know, directing us to Ia. But it was so much nicer than I imagined. Not saying that I didn't think it was gonna be nice, but just like compared to what we have like in the US, other wine tastings I've done, like not just in New York, but like other parts of the country. Even last time I came here myself to do a wine tasting, and I thought that was amazing, and this topped it so much more. So definitely hit up, what is it called, Santo Wines. Santo Wines, amazing. I highly recommend, and the views are just, you just can't beat them. I've been standing at this forever. But now we're on our way to eat. Okay, Jake, stop.
Sorry.
How is this guy
Why,
just stopping? Oh my god, the way people drive here. Sign of the cross for us. Also, Jay barely drink, so don't worry guys. He's okay to drive. But now we're on our way to Ia, and the Waze is all in Greek, so wish us luck.
I'll enjoy that.
I will give you guys some footage as we drive down, and pray for us again, like I said, because the drive there is, let's just say I'm not breathing the entire time. Oh my god, a cat. See, this is what I mean. Let's just say I don't breathe the entire time we drive there because, like, look at this. This is nothing compared to what we were driving down. This is like very small. Wait until we get to the top of the mountain, you guys will see. My least favorite thing about wearing sunglasses with makeup, look at my nose.
0.1 miles.
Do you see that?
Turn right. And then
I look like a freaking clown in Ia when I want to take the most beautiful pictures ever.
You look beautiful.
And I have to figure out a way to fix this, guys. If any of you have tips, please let me know, because I've tried everything and this still happens to me. Every time. Guys, look at how beautiful. Aww. Little donkey. Oh, he's tied up. Stop. Guys, should I let him loose?
You'd piss somebody off.
Okay, guys, this is when I start to stop breathing during the drive. Pray for us. Oh my god, Jay, please. Don't like this. I really don't like this.
Don't worry, I'll insert clips.